Hi my fellow beauty buffins. Our full body collagen booster has a host of benefits for the entire body. Let's discuss the top ones. Benefit number 1, it supports joint health, promotes flexibility and comfort, aiding in active lifestyles. Benefit number 2, enhances muscle recovery and growth, assists in muscle repair and recovery post-exercise. This booster is packed full of all essential and non-essential amino acids in a clean and pure form, which makes this product perfect as a daily alternative, pure protein source to aid in physical lifestyles. Benefit number 3, promotes skin elasticity, contributes to firmer, more youthful looking skin. Benefit number 4, Hydrolysed Gelatin is all the various types of collagens rolled into one. So you are getting the full benefit of a powerful collagen punch. Benefit number 5. This product is really great to add to your cooking to enhance the protein content and to add an extra health kick into your meals. Add into smoothies, soups, cooking sauce, and even into baking. The high temperature does not affect the integrity of the product.